my channel. Welcome back. So, I got an interview tomorrow. Wait, y'all heard me right. I got an interview tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna be a surprise. I'm gonna let y'all know. It's my favorite restaurant, and if you don't know that, then now you know. Yeah. Interview tomorrow. July the 1st. My cousin, y'all, it's funny because I'm gonna say my cousin-in-law because I don't know what to say. Okay. So my cousin boyfriend got his yesterday, and my cousin is going to hers today, and I'm going to mine tomorrow. Y'all, that is crazy. So her boyfriend trying to work with her at a little fancy restaurant, and then my baby daddy slash boyfriend trying to work with me. So yeah, I'm not telling y'all where I work at. I keep trying to tell y'all, but I'm not gonna tell y'all. Y'all see her. But yeah, so y'all so like see me today. I ain't really doing this today, but finna feed me some food when I get up and stuff. Y'all see her. Yeah, sorry for the darkness. It's just very dark up in this room. And don't mind the room either, because I'll try to clean up the room so many times, and yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog today a little bit, and then y'all gonna see more again. And she said, y'all, I ain't say that because yeah, she's sick though. She just threw up. So I will get back with y'all and I'll do something. Alright, hold on. Alright, I'm back. So it's like, hold on. It's 10:15 right now. And it's June the 29th. And I got a little interview at July the 1st. Yeah. So today what I'm gonna do is go 50 something. I'm sick too. Hold on. Anyway, yeah, I gotta go to the interview tomorrow, and then, well, today, like I said, today I'm going to just vlog me just doing stuff I do every day when I wake up and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go to be trying to eat and stuff, and then shoot. Oh, and Mom got my wig yesterday, so you know I got that yogurt, and then I got churn some milk. Well, I ain't get it, but my mom to go get it because we don't have no cereal. Well, we have cereal now, but it's like their wig cereal, and no more want to eat that. Yeah. So yeah, see y'all when I get in the kitchen. Yeah, let's go. Alright, so y'all, y'all maybe can't hear me for the album. I'm trying to speak loud. I'm trying to make it quick as well. So we just got on McDonald's. It's from up there too. And I couldn't record that because I was on the phone. Yeah. So I'm finna get my sister and my mom went to go get my baby some pampers and wipes, and then in a tripod little thing. So I won't open until I get in the house, so I will show y'all and stuff. But I'm feeding her bottle right now, so I will see y'all when I get home. Yeah.
I gave you 14 minus 7. Oh, you don't get another 6,050 cents?
That's fine.
How you gonna say you gonna for YouTube?
Oh yeah, I'm recording. Okay. That was really big in this, but alright. Thank you.
Get some of them fries out that bag.
Stole all who folks' food.
Shane here eating these folk nuggets.
All right. Yeah, fries. Yeah.
Somebody was still at the stomach. Look at that police over here.
No.
Right on the way.
So we finna go swimming, y'all. Come here, Dodger. I'm trying to get him. Say hey to my vlog, y'all. Say hey to my YouTube video.
What's up, y'all?
So yeah, we finna get him some swimming trunks. So we go swimming. I'm really not trying to get in the water for it, but if I do, then yeah, that's what it is. What it is. I got this. Yeah. Jordan, show 'em what you got on. Alright, y'all. I'm feeling going to stuff. And buy me some. I want some water. I think this is gonna make me boo boo, y'all. Let's go, bro. Y'all see the hell? Say hey to my vlog. All the way down there. Say hey. Say hey.
You know how to swim?
Try. Hold on, wait. Don't try yet. Wait.
Shane, I know how to do this. Shane, let me say hey. Bye.
Jacorian.
What's up, y'all? Yay! Sorry.
Doing all that like that.
Nobody said do care.
Say hey.
I'm not sure, hanging on.
This is for a little child.
I don't know what he keep like that for. Jacorian. That's not called for you because you can't swim. You can't swim. You don't go down the side?
Don't do that. I did. I did. I already pushed that in the water.
I'm gonna go down.
I'm recording.
Good like this?
It's not gonna. It got multiple all around the pool. Y'all, he finna go down the slide. Alright, hold on, y'all.
Look, Baba. My feet are open.
Look at Duke glue.
Oh, snap.
Y'all, Quan finna go down the slide.
Look at Quan. Look at Quan. Hey, baby. Quan, look. Come to me. Come to mom. Y'all didn't tell me I was gonna do it.
Look at Quan go down the slide.
Watch this. He's gonna go. My daddy can jump all the way to the other stairs. Cause we did that.
Daddy, you want me?
Daddy,
Daddy, you want me? Come on, let's go swim. Wanna play baby shark? Say hey. Baby shark, doo doo doo. Go. Sing it. Sing it. Yeah.
Y'all don't pass right here now.
He kind of like a whale.
This is her picture. Jacorian,
My hair.
you cannot swim.
So?
My hair.
I mean, not down the stairs, down the slide.
Let him get on your back, bro.
All right, come on, hold him real quick. Stand up. He don't want to be like, okay, he don't want to. Yeah, they finna come down the slide, y'all. Watch.
My God. Good. That's good. Yeah, what?
And then I guess
I'm trying to hit you, bro.
after I leave here, y'all, and then I'm gonna go live on Facebook. Y'all, here they go, y'all. Look.
She got a baby. I'm her
Oh, they came at the same time.
sister. Man, you let go of that baby. That baby gonna drown.
What?
You let go. I know. No! Don't hold the baby in the water. I've been doing it. That's the mama right there. That's my daddy right there. Daddy, yeah.
So, yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna vlog today. And
She got
then,
me out here in the heat, y'all.
Look, watch this. I started making water.
She wanted me out here in the heat. That bad.
no,
Who?
I just watching.
no, I did not want. You the one who want to come out here.
You gotta be kidding me.
I wanted to come here after the fact that y'all wanted me to come.
Let's go, let's go. Okay, come on.
Then y'all say y'all want to go
We
to
go back to the other pool.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna go live on Facebook.
Man, be quiet.
All right, y'all. Say bye bye. Stop! You getting my hair wet.
How am I getting your hair?
Your hair touched my hair.
Man, a cubicle. God.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna go live on Facebook. All right.
You already know it. Gang. We're gonna do something real quick. Watch how I hit it down.
What's the guy gonna think he on the beach? You want me to go in the water?
Go underwater. Oh, they went back over there. Well, I got 3, guys.
You got 3?
Got 3.
Oh, they said you got 3.
You finna do it again.
I didn't go touch the bottom. So he got to it.
I don't have to touch the bottom down. Stop, no.
Automatic, if I can go under the at least.
I gotta still do that same time.
Out the pool. We was up kidding with somebody threw up in the pool, so.
Gang. You already know.
I'm gonna update y'all. Well, I guess I'm gonna keep vlogging until we get out of here. I got the bag.
You gotta go. Yeah, right now.
I got it. Put his pants up in here. Come on, man. We not getting back in no pool, Kaden. I really don't know where I put my towel in.
You want to let come on, sit on your towel. You ain't bring no extra clothes either.
Cause I'm planning on getting in.
Y'all can sit by each other.
I know. Look at Jacqueline.
What's up with you? Lord, have mercy.
Y'all had fun?
Yeah. I'm madder than the summer, bitch.
Tell them why. I mean, I see y'all. So this is my 7th No, this is my 8th time. So, anyways, it's been a busy day today. Well, I'm not gonna say busy, but I had to pick up my car. I was being shot for 2 months. We went to the pool. Didn't get there in time. Like, literally didn't even get there in time. And then I didn't end on my vlog right, y'all, at all. Like, I got left the pool, I was supposed to end it then, but I was planning on coming back here and end it off. So now it's like 11:06. We got here at like 10:40 something. Yeah. The pool actually closed at 5. If you live in Montgomery and you wanna know like some like what the place that I went to, then baby, comment so I can tell you. Now if you don't live in Montgomery, then I can't help you. But y'all like my twist? Yeah, the shrinkage is real, baby. Very. Got my I didn't tell y'all what I was working at. Working at McDonald's, Mickey D's. Yeah, my favorite fast food restaurant. You hear me? Fast food. Oh, baby, I'm gonna walk around with nuggets and fries in my pocket. Yeah, I actually seen that Facebook page post, and I was like, I'm really finna start working at McDonald's. Yes, I'm finna start doing it. So I was gonna post a video tomorrow after I get out my interview and stuff, but do not know. So yeah. I think that's all I'm gonna tell y'all for right now. I don't know. I can't show y'all my job, my little job, little thing, so I'm not even gonna tell y'all or get into all that. I was gonna show y'all, but y'all, I don't know. I had got my, hold on, let me see. I had got my little thing, last month on the 30th. Didn't even know it. Cause I had to tell my online school that I was gonna start working and stuff. And then my baby birthday, but it's like less than 6 months. So, I got my nephew. So if y'all hear something like that, just know he's in here. That's it, y'all, for today's video. I'm gonna start coming out with vlogs and stuff, y'all. Hey, I'm coming. Just give me a moment where I can do stuff. Y'all see how this side just gonna cut these onions. Y'all want to see me do that too? Let me see them scissors real quick. Cause like this now. Alright, y'all. I just need to cut my hair. Alright, so this right here. Alright, hold on. I'm not pressing at this, so the kids not do this at home. Hold on. Yeah, see how just bounced up? Now look at it. Fabulous. And then nope. I know y'all probably like, why is she doing this, baby? Because